Hey YouTube, back to another tutorial. Today I am going to learn you how to make a Google account. First of all, it's totally easy. First of all, you have to go on a Google and search create a Google account. Okay, then come on a button create a Google account. Click on it, and you see a search interface, and click on a create an account. Okay, then you put name here. For suppose I am putting Kashif Ali, and you have to make a email. For suppose I am writing uh, for, at Kashif Ahmad, and then come to the strong password, and make sure you make your own password, and keep it safe. Okay, and then I'm writing for suppose the password. You have to confirm. Okay, show password. Okay, next. Okay, you see a search interface, and write your phone number. For suppose I'm writing my phone number. Okay, for recovery email address, we have to put for recover your this email account, Google account. So you have to put another email account for recovery purpose. For suppose I am putting my another account. Okay, now you have to select a month. For suppose April, and I am writing a date 12, and here we have to put any gender. I'm selecting male. Okay, and next. Then these are the privacy and terms, and you have to read it, and I am agree this all. Okay, it's take a time. Your safe, your Google account is ready. Thank you so much. Subscribe this channel, and for another video click on a bell icon.